How to make money on Instagram Reels. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Instagram Reels is one of the most popular features on the platform. It allows you to create and share shorts, engaging videos with your followers. And with over 1 billion monthly active users, it's no surprise that the business, influencers, and content creators are using Reels to grow their brand and make money. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through some of the tips and strategies to monetize your Instagram Reels. We'll cover everything from building your audience to partnering with brands and creating sponsored content. If you're a business owner, you'll learn how to leverage Instagram Reels to promote your product and services, reach new customers, and drive sales. And if you're an influencer or a content creator, you'll discover how to turn your Reels into a source of income by partnering with brands and creating a sponsored content. We'll discuss some of the most common mistakes that people make when trying to monetize their Instagram Reels and how to avoid them. So, if you're ready to take your Instagram Reels to the next level and start making money, then sit back, relax, and let's get started. Now, to make money in Instagram, there is something called Instagram Reel Play Bonus, which is a program in Instagram that allows you to earn from your Instagram Reels views. As you can see right now on our screen, it is an invite-only bonus program that would allow you to earn money on your Reel content. If you're invited, you will receive a pop-up notification and an invite that appears in your professional dashboard on your Instagram. This is not for everybody. This is not something you could join out of nowhere. You would need to be noticed by Instagram to be able to join this kind of program. So how do you get an invite to this program that we have right now? Now, you would need to create contents that are original and have it garner a lot of views and like that Instagram would notice your account. As you can see here, we can see that these are the Instagram Reel Play Bonus Program rules. Now, what you're going to do to earn bonuses in Instagram Reels is that this is based on your performance. The amount you're going to earn and how you're going to earn your bonuses is based on your performance of your Reels, the number of Reels you create, and based on the creation of a team Reel. You can't just put random videos together and you can just post bulk videos with random content. It would be against the rules of Instagram Reel Play. You would need to have a constant topic that you would create a reel on, or have a general theme that you would go and use, and you should be consistent with your uploads. You can't simply upload a video every once a week or every other day or every other month because you would need consistency. And also you would need to be garnering a lot of views and attention on multiple views. You can't just have one video that is gaining attention because you wouldn't be able to earn the invite by just having one popular video. And there's also rules over here like the content that is illegal for Reel Play bonuses. As you can see here, if your reel is claimed by another rights holder, you wouldn't be able to receive or be eligible for Reel Play bonus. If you receive 3 strike for Reels violation, you would be unable to earn from Reel Play bonus for a minimum of 30 days. You cannot also use branded content for your Reel Play bonus, and your Reel Play bonus should be in a language that the bonus program supports. If your reel is watermarked and a third-party platform marks name or logo, only reels that you have created can earn bonuses. You wouldn't be able to use videos that are from another platform. For example, TikTok. You can't post TikTok videos on your Instagram and expect that you would be able to earn money through that video. Even though it garners a lot of views, you wouldn't be able to earn money through that. And also, if your reel is permanently deleted, you may not get the credit for the play that Reels receive if you delete your Reels. As you can see, those are the rules you would need to follow when creating your Reels for the Instagram program, assuming you are able to get in. Now, how do you create a video that is within a theme and would garner a lot of videos potentially so that you would be able to be invited to this type of program and start earning money? Now, I'm going to suggest you a way that you wouldn't need to show your face, which is like basically a tutorial that you could do for different people. For example, you have Google Docs over here. You're simply going to open your Google Docs and you're going to type in a title. For example, top 10 tips on how to get rich, stuff like that. Top 10 tips on how to become a freelancer, depending on the topic that you would like to have. But your general topic is be a small time tutorial that gives tips to people about certain topics. For example, we're going to try this top 10 tips on how to be a successful freelancer, just like that. And you're simply going to highlight this, make this bigger, just like that, make this appealing, make this centered, just like that. And you could change the font style over here to whatever you want, just like that, make it bigger, and change the color over here to whatever you like. And then you're simply going to record your screen that shows this as the title, and then you're going to have information like the tips that you're going to say. And you could use ChatGPT to generate your content. You're simply going to reiterate or restate what ChatGPT gave to you so that you would have an easier time with your script. And after recording a video about this, you could use stock videos from Pexels over here that you could use to add to your topic over here, just to have a background or like a random video playing in the background. For example, you could have a video that is about computer. Let's say computer over here, just like that. We're going to click on search. You would be able to see different videos that is royalty free, wherein you would be able to use them without any worries. As you can see here, there are a lot of videos. For example, we're going to go with this one. We're going to select this, and you would be able to see a video. As you can see here, the woman is using her laptop. You can simply download this type of video, click on download over here, and you would be able to download this specific video from Pexels absolutely for free. And then you can go to Canva over here. You can search for, on the search bar, Instagram Reels, just like that. You're going to wait for it, and we're going to click on video, just like that, so that you would be able to see a template of Instagram Reels that you could use. You could use any templates that we have over here. We're simply going to use the size of the video over here. You're not going to actually use the design or the template being provided in Canva. You're just going to use it as a basis for your size of video, just like that. We're going to delete this, just like that. And then you're going to upload the video that you have downloaded, just like this, and just like that. As you can see, this is our video over here. You can simply drag it into your screen, make it bigger, just like that. Make sure that your character fits, just like that. And then you could use multiple types of videos that you could use. You could shorten it over here, make it alternate between different videos that you would like to have, until the duration wherein you finish talking about the 10 tips that you have talked about in this section over here. You wouldn't need to show your face. You should only be using your voice, then reading out script from ChatGPT. And after that, you're simply going to upload it on your Instagram Reel, preferably on a page or a professional account, so that it would be noticeable. And make sure that you do that type of videos. Make sure that it's consistent, it's unique and different from other people's. Although it's not completely unique because other people are doing it as well, but at least we're not going to copy and copyright other people's content. And after that, you're simply going to post multiple times a week so that you have the highest chance to get into the Instagram Reel plays. And once you get accepted, you should continue doing with what you are doing so that you would be able to earn a lot more money with the different videos that you are currently uploading and earning videos and earning views from. And after that, of course, you would be able to earn money from all the views that you have. And the more videos you have, the more money you'll earn. And that's it, guys. That's how you can earn money through Instagram Reels. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.